Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables in 10th standard mathematics in that assignment number 2. First question, check whether the equations 2x plus 4y plus 3 equals to 0, 3x plus 5y plus 1 equals to 0 are consistent or not. See children, he is asking about consistent or not. It means consistent means what is that? If the equations having a one or more than one solution, then we said that it is consistent. If it is not having one or more than one solutions, those are all inconsistent. Okay children, see the equations are the given equations are consistent or not. Given equations, two x plus 4y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus 5y plus 1 equals to 0. Compare with general equation. Compare with general equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. See, compare these two equations with these two general equations. Therefore, what are the coefficients? a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 4 and c1 is equals to 3 and a2 is equals to 3 and b2 is equals to 5 and c2 is equals to 1. Now the ratio of coefficients a1 by a2, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now b1 by b2, which is equals to 4 by 5. See here, if you observe that a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 4 by 3. These two are not equal. These two ratios are not equal. Therefore, since a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. See here, if you observe that this condition is for the lines which are intersecting lines. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then we said that those two are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means they having a unique solution. The lines are having unique solution. Therefore, then we said that these two are what kind of lines? Consistent lines. Now the second one. Is a dependent pair of linear equations always consistent? Why or why not? See the dependent lines. The dependent lines means what kind of lines? Those are coincidental lines. So dependent lines, that is coincidental lines. Coincidental lines. See children, the coincidental lines means a1 by a2, which is equals to b1 by b2 and which is equals to c1 by c2. This is condition for the coincidental lines. They having the coincidental lines having infinitely many solutions. So the lines having the coincidental lines coincident lines having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So see children, the lines having many solutions means they are consistent or not? Yes, the lines having a many solutions, so we said that they are consistent lines. The pair of linear, the lines are the pair of linear equations are consistent. Next question. The third question, for what value of k the pair of equations 3x plus 4y plus 2 equals to 0 and 9x plus 12y plus k equals to 0 represent coincidental lines. So first of all, write what is given. Given lines are so 3x plus 4y plus 2 equals to 0 and 9x plus 12y plus k equals to 0. Now compare these two equations with the general equations. Compare with general equations. What are the general equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. See, compare these two and write the coefficients. What are the coefficients we have? a1 is equals to 3 and b1 is equals to 4 and c1 is equals to 2. Now a2 is equals to 9, b2 is equals to 12 and c2 is equals to k. See children, the condition for the lines are coincidental lines. Condition for condition of coincidental lines. See children, the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Substitute all the coefficients in the ratios, that is 3 by 9 is equals to 4 by 12 is equals to 2 by k. See children, we needed a k value, then I am comparing these two ratios. So 4 by 12 is equals to 2 by k. So 4 by 12 is equals to 2 by k. So 4 ones are 4 3s are, that is 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by k. Do cross multiplication. 1 into k is equals to 2 into 3. So 1 into k is k, 2 3s are 6. So what is the value of k? K value is 6. Now the next one. What the value of k in the system of equations 2x plus k minus 1 into y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus 5y plus 2 equals to 0 have no solution. So he is saying that the two equations having no solution means they are parallel lines, right? They are inconsistent lines, they having no solution, right? So use that condition, then find a k value. So given lines, what is given? See here, 2x plus k minus 1 into y plus 3 is equals to 0, and 3x plus 5y plus 2 is equals to 0. So compare with general equation, these two equations compare with general equations. So what are the general equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So write the coefficients. a1 is 2, and b1 is k minus 1, and c1 is 3, and a2 is 3, and b2 is 5, and c2 is 2. Now condition for parallel lines. Condition for parallel lines. Condition of parallel lines. So what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Substitute in that conditions, the coefficients are 2 by 3, which is equals to k minus 1 by 5, which is not equals to 3 by 2. I am comparing these two ratios. Now I will get a k value. So 2 by 3 is equals to k minus 1 by 5. Do cross multiplication. So 2 into 5 is equals to 3 into k minus 1. 2 5s are 10 is equals to 3 into k, 3k minus 3 ones are 3. So send minus 3 to left hand side, then plus 3, 10 plus 3 is equals to 3k. So 10 plus 3 is 13 is equals to 3k, therefore 13 by 3 is equals to k. If the k value is 13 by 3, if you are substituting k value is 13 by 3, then the two lines are parallel lines, they having no solution. Now the next one. See children, here two trains on a railway track are represented by equations 2x minus y is equals to 4 and 4x minus 2y is equals to 6 represents this situation graphically. So what he is saying? He is saying that two trains on a railway track. So there are two trains on a track. So that situation I am explaining here by using graphical representation. The two trains are intersecting or not, they are coincidental or they are parallel. See children. So take a graph, and now the solution, given equations. So what are the given equations? 2x minus y is equals to 4 and 4x minus 2y is equals to 6. See children, here now I am representing on a graph without doing conditions. See, I'm taking one tabular form. Two x minus y is equals to 4. This is the tabular form. X values and y values, and x comma y values. So what are the values? So first I am taking x as 0. Then in that 2x minus y is equals to 4. If x is equals to 0, substitute in place of x is 0, minus y is equals to 4, then 2 zeros are 0, then minus y is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 4. So minus 4. Now I am taking y as 0. If y as 0, if y is equals to 0, then substitute in that equation y is 0 and is equals to 4, then 2x is equals to 4, x is equals to y by 2, the value is 2. So x value is 2. See the coordinate points 0 comma minus 4 and 2 comma 0. Now I'm taking the coordinate points for the equation 4x minus 2y is equals to 6. X coordinates and y coordinates, then the point x comma y. First I am taking x as 3. In that equation 4x minus 2y is equals to 6. In that place I am taking x as 3. So 4 into 3 minus 2y is equals to 6. Then 4 3s are 12 and send the 6 to minus 6 and 2y. Therefore 12 minus 6 is 6 and send 2 to this side, and 6 by 2 is y. Therefore y is equals to 3. If x is equals to 3, then y value is 3. Now next, if x is equals to 2, if x is equals to 2, then what are the points? Substitute in that form. 4 into 2 minus 2y is equals to 6. So 8 minus 2y is equals to 6, and 8 minus 6 is equals to 2y. Then 8 minus 6 is 2 by 2 is equals to y. Then therefore y value is 1. So what are the coordinate points? 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 1. Now we will discussing about graph. So first I am taking y-axis and x-axis, negative x-axis and positive x-axis, and positive y-axis and negative y-axis. This is the origin 0. Now the scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So now 1 2 3 4 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and positive y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative y-axis -1, -2, -3, and -4, and negative x-axis -2. Now I am plotting the graph. 2x minus y is equals to 4. So the coordinate points are 0, -1. So 0, -4 is, and next one is 2, 0. So 2, 0. So draw a line along with these 2 points. So now this is for 2x minus y is equals to 4. Now the next one, 3, 3, and x-axis is 3 and y-axis is 3, and next one is 2, -1, 2, 1. So x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 1. Join these two. What happened these two lines? These two lines are never intersecting to each other. So we said that those two lines are parallel lines. Those two lines are parallel lines. So 4x minus 2y is equals to 6. Therefore, these lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Thank you.